Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to fix Canon LBP6320dn printer double paper pickup problem. Okay, let's start the video. First check print. Okay, first take a printout from PC. Now you see double paper pickup. Okay, now I am going to show you how to fix this problem. Okay, remove paper carefully. Printer gear is sensitive. Okay, now open printer side cover for check problem. Okay, this is printer back side. Now open screw. After open screw, open side cover. Okay, open this duplex tray and then open side cover. This is this one lock also. Okay, now open side cover. Now see here, this is our printer solenoid. Okay, open solenoid screw and then remove solenoid from printer. Okay, after remove this solenoid, open the solenoid door and remove this spring. Okay, now check this solenoid door is sticky. Now clean this dust. Now clean also solenoid dust. Okay, after clean this, refix in printer. Okay, connect solenoid in printer. After this, check this spring is important. Carefully connect to solenoid. Okay, fix solenoid screw. After this, take it a spin for check printer problem solved or not. Okay, now check. I am take only one print. Now you see one print is come. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.